Embarking on the journey of developing a new cosmetic product combines the thrill of creativity with the precision of strategy. It's about selecting the finest ingredients and designing sustainable packaging, but also, more importantly, understanding and navigating the market. A successful launch often hinges on the meticulous evaluation of your product's viability. This step is key in transforming a good idea into a market sensation, ensuring your product doesn't just exist, but thrives in the competitive world of cosmetics. Let's start with the proof of concept. This is where we bring our idea to life, crafting a prototype that demonstrates the feasibility of our vision. It's like an artist's first sketch, giving shape to imagination. But a successful product doesn't just look good, it solves a problem. It addresses a gap in the market, fulfilling a need that perhaps consumers didn't even know they had. It uncovers that hidden gem of an opportunity that everyone overlooks. We've said it before, but it deserves repeating. Sustainability is a cornerstone of product development, considering what the product does, but also how it does it. In that way, we've got to strive for ingredients, packaging, and production methods that honor our planet. Then there is the intricate world of legal and regulatory requirements, complying with laws to ensure the product is safe, effective, and reliable. Before a cosmetic of any kind is produced, no matter how similar to previous ones, it has to undergo safety tests, efficacy studies, and legal frameworks, ensuring every aspect is meticulously vetted. But what about the numbers? A great idea needs a solid financial foundation. From analyzing the initial investment to understanding the cost of bringing the product to life. From production to marketing, every dollar counts, and the goal is to make it count for more. You need to forecast revenues, expenses, and profit margins. It's a delicate balance, like a tightrope walker measuring every step. Then comes the all-important ROI, return on investment. It tells us if our efforts are paying off, if our vision is as profitable as it is brilliant. Understanding the market is crucial. We don't just look at numbers and trends. We dive into the psyche of our consumers. Who are they? What do they want? How do they behave? It's about connecting, not just selling. And of course, there's the competition. We understand their game strategy, not to outdo them, but to change the game itself. We study their strengths and weaknesses, learning from them to build something not just different, but better. Finally, we focus on manufacturing and scalability. We lay the groundwork with a robust yet adaptable infrastructure, designed to support growth and adaptability. This approach entails dreaming big, but beginning with a pragmatic outlook, ensuring that our products are not only innovative, but also capable of evolving alongside market trends. By thoroughly assessing manufacturing capabilities, scalability, and the potential for mass production, we aim to position ourselves for substantial growth and to meet increasing market demand efficiently. The strategic focus on scalable manufacturing processes is crucial for transitioning from small-scale production to meeting the global demands of the cosmetic industry. Each element, from inspiration to execution, plays its part in the final look. It's a blend of intuition and research, creativity and strategy, all coming together to paint a picture of beauty, innovation, and success. So let's keep mixing, blending, and experimenting. Who knows? The next iconic cosmetic creation could be just a brushstroke away.